Right, so this is the box here. So let's see, open you, pull you. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, that wasn't supposed to fall out so fast. I probably was supposed to open it in the next direction. Let's do that over. I'm supposed to rest it on like this and lift it up like that. Yes, let's just act like I did it the right way. Anyhow, it's my money spent. Quick start guide, book. What's in the book? Quick start guide is very easy, quick. Alright, cool. Vacuum manual. Ooh. Alright, tells you everything about the manual. Oh, information about things, HEPA filter, edge brush. Alright, cool. Put you to the side. See what else we have inside here. What is underneath here? Nothing. I guess that's where all the books were. But because I opened it the wrong side, it did that. Nothing there. Alright, good. Oh, yeah, this is him. Look. Oh, this thing heavy. This thing is heavy. I didn't expect it to be. Like from lifting up the box, it wasn't really that heavy, but this thing how weight. Alright, so this is our Wyze vacuum cleaner here. There is a home button, there's a power button. There's stuff underneath. So there's these little brushes here. I gather this is what spins to pick up the dirt. These are the wheels. This is the kind of directional wheel here. And it is heavy. It's causing my hands some pain. Some bluting here is probably to disconnect it. Yeah, these things here are probably for the edge brushes to put on to connect them. And this is the Lidar Detector, the Lidar sensor. So this uses the same kind of Lidar thing that self-driving cars use. So this one, the reason about the Wyze one is because it's supposed to be able to map out your area by using the Lidar sensors, and it creates a more accurate map than the others that use sensors that kind of bounce off the wall. Because I didn't want my vacuum cleaner to be bouncing off things all the time. Because I live in a very busy household, so sometimes that table may not be the same place that it was the first time. So remembering it may not make sense, so I'd rather you have to figure it out. So that's that, and then there are these brushes here. I'll figure out where to put them. I think I saw where to put them just now. So they feel like, you know, nylonish. Yeah, they're like nylon. I guess they're nylon. Cool. And I guess this will be the charger. Right, no more charger. Looking like one of them chargers for camera systems. Yeah. And then there is the docking station. I believe this would be the docking station. Yep, this is the dock. Oh, okay, so the docking station is like two magnets, so they will kind of stick. Let me see. Docking station. Magnets. Maybe they need to be electromagnetized or something like that, yeah. Maybe when I plug them in, they'll get electromagnetized, right? So that'll be for the review, but this is just the unboxing video. So this is the docking station. I would plug in. Where do I put the plug in? Underneath here? Yeah. I guess that's for the extra wire. Yeah, the plug will go in here and I wrap the wire around. Yeah, because you really want to put it kind of close to the wall now. So I'll have to figure out a spot to put it close to the wall. But this is the docking station. And what are you? You are filters, HEPA filters or some kind of thing like that. So I'll put all of these things together and then see how it works. There's the unboxing video of my personal Wyze robot vacuum cleaner. Right now, where the bag is, let's collect the dust. I probably need to read the book, yeah. There must be a way to collect the dust. Or to, where the dust pan? Like, where does the dust go? Alright, we'll figure that out sometime soon.